True wealth begins with the richness of your mindset, the value of your skills, and the connections you forge. With determination, creativity, and a relentless pursuit of opportunities, you can transform a dream into a fortune, even if you start with no money.
Entrepreneurs have one thing in common. They keep going. They'll change the rules. They'll reinvent the rules. They don't just take one answer. So a real entrepreneur, it really makes no difference which country you're in. That's my belief. I
love that.
It's just a mindset. It's F you. You mess with me, I'll find a way around it.
Today, we're diving into an exciting and often misunderstood topic: how to get rich with no money. That's right, you don't need a fat wallet to start building your wealth empire. So, grab a pen and paper, because we're about to uncover some game-changing strategies that can set you on the path to financial success.
I'm one of those kids that don't like school. School is good for people who like school. But here was my poor dad, head of education, PhD, on the governor's board of Hawaii and all this stuff, and his kid, me, I'm flunking out of school because I can't read, I can't write. And I said I couldn't read, I couldn't write. I was bored out of my mind. I was just, hey. So what I did instead was, that's when I met my rich dad, who was my best friend's father, and he used these things called a game. See, games are the best teaching tools. See, when I'm playing this game, this is how the rich taught their kids battle strategies called chess. My rich dad taught me to be a rich man playing Monopoly. We played Monopoly hour after hour after hour. The formula for great wealth of Monopoly is 4 greenhouses, 1 red hotel. So today in Arizona, I own 8,000 greenhouses and several red hotels. I just play Monopoly for real.
Let's get started. Section 1, Mindset Mastery. Before we even begin talking about strategies, let's address the most crucial factor: your mindset. Getting rich starts with believing in yourself and your potential. Develop a growth mindset that embraces challenges, learns from failures, and stays persistent no matter the obstacles. Remember, some of the wealthiest people today started with nothing but a dream and the right mindset.
So when I talk about what skill do you need, when the hits the fan, you better start selling. So I went to work for Xerox in 1974 so I could learn how to sell. It took me 4 years. Then I was #1. Okay? And today I'm a best-selling author. Most PhDs tell me I can't write. Yes, I said I can't write, but I can sell.
Section 2, Harnessing your skills. Now, let's talk about utilizing your skills. Whether you're a great cook, an artist, a writer, or a tech wizard, your skills have value. Start freelancing, consulting, or offering services online. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Etsy can help you monetize your talents, putting money in your pocket. Don't underestimate the power of your unique abilities. Section 3, The Art of Networking. They say your network is your net worth, and that's absolutely true. Connect with like-minded individuals, attend networking events, and leverage social media to make meaningful connections. Collaboration can open doors to opportunities you might have never imagined. Remember, your network can introduce you to your next big break.
I don't really like McDonald's food, but they have the best business systems in the world. How else can a company take virtually non-college educated people and build a fast food industry across the world? And they have the best system. So right inside little McDonald's, you can learn everything you need to learn about business except for the management side of it. So I just go work at McDonald's so I can learn even more. So I look at life as learning. I'm constantly learning. I'm reading constantly, studying constantly. I spend most of my time with entrepreneurs. I don't spend my time with people who complain about the economy. So nothing will really change. I just go back to being an entrepreneur.
Section 4, Creating compelling content. In this digital age, content is king. Whether it's writing a blog, creating videos, or starting a podcast, sharing valuable information can position you as an authority in your niche. As your audience grows, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and even selling your own products or courses. Consistency and quality are key to building a loyal following. Section 5: Strategic Investing. Now, let's talk about strategic investing. While you might not have a lot of money to start, you can still make smart investment decisions. It involves a personalized approach, as each investor's financial situation and objectives are unique. It's important to note that while strategic investing aims to achieve long-term goals, no investment strategy is completely immune to risk, and the value of investments can go up and down. Research low-cost index funds, stocks, or even real estate opportunities that align with your financial goals. Remember, it's not about the amount you invest initially, but the habit of investing consistently over time.
What they're really doing is they're just giving their money to people like mutual funds, companies, and all that. So they're investing, but they're not really investors. See, the big tax breaks are on this side. You know, the laws are pretty tight here, but this area is very, very gray. So by being a business owner on the right-hand side of the quadrant, you can make a lot more money and pay a smaller percentage of taxes legally. And the key word is legally. In the investor quadrant, it is possible to make millions of dollars and pay 0% taxes legally.
Section 6: Frugality and Smart Saving. Remember, frugality doesn't mean depriving yourself of everything enjoyable. It means making intentional choices about where and how you spend your money. By practicing frugality and smart saving, you can build a strong financial foundation and work towards achieving your financial aspirations. Being frugal doesn't mean being cheap. Embrace a minimalist lifestyle, cut unnecessary expenses, and focus on saving money. Every dollar saved is a dollar that can be invested or put towards your dreams. Small sacrifices now can lead to big rewards later. Conclusion. There you have it, our comprehensive guide on how to get rich with no money.
And I said, look, you failed and you came back, but I'm going to fail and I'm never coming back. And that's the attitude. Do you know what I mean? If you say, well, if I fail, I'll go back to mommy and daddy, then that's what you'll do. So if you fail, that's when I became an entrepreneur, because I had no money. I had no money for years. You know, I didn't have a paycheck. But that's what my rich dad encouraged me to do. He says, when you don't have this paycheck, you get hungrier, smarter, and it's a test of your character. Will you become a crook? Will you become dishonest? Will you cheat and steal? Or will you become a better human being?
Remember, it's all about the right mindset, leveraging your skills, networking, creating valuable content, making strategic investments, and embracing frugality. Combine these strategies with determination and hard work, and you'll be well on your way to achieving financial success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Until next time, keep chasing your dreams and building that wealth.